Happy Friday, everyone.
We get Japan's financial giant getting involved with Ripple with a little bit of validator action. That's good news for XRP and XRPL fans. We're also going to talk about Toncoin making a massive move. Pantera Capital. What's interesting about this partnership is the price actually moved on the news. And Nansen is coming out saying, yo, if you want the altcoin rally, two things are going to happen. First, BTC. Second, this date. Let's get into the news. And I hope you got some amazing fun planned this weekend. And I hope you plan on doing a little bit of degenerate adult activities. I'm not condoning it, but it's a damn fun thing to do.
I'm so f***ing high right now.
VR Fanatic starts us off and says, pennies will flow. Grown men will cry out. Grown men are crying because most of the transactions on the Stellar chain are for less than a penny. So pat yourself on the back, Stellar fans, because you're moving trillions. Trillions of fractions of a penny. Oh, man, let's take a look. Because Nansen came out with an article, and Nansen's like, yo, altcoins, we need two things to happen. The first is BTC to continue. The second is, well, I'll get into it. But first, Bitcoin sitting at 63,027, ETH 3,028, Sol, Toncoin, can't ignore it. Biggest on the map right now at 17% gain last 24 hours. Real quick here. When you hear about partnerships in crypto, how many times are these partnerships nothing burgers? 0 calories of absolute bullshit. Well, guess what? This move with Toncoin is not bullshit. And this partnership action is actually a real one that matters. See, when I do these stories and I talk about partnerships and people investing, you notice how sometimes the price doesn't move and sometimes the price rockets? That's how you know if the shit is real or not. XRP sitting at 51.3. We're going to talk about that here a little bit with some Japan action. XLM melting faces. VR Fanatic 10.9. All right, Ton gains 14%. No, girlfriend, it's actually 17% now. Amid Pantera Capital's largest investment. Pantera Capital is a venture capital firm. Yes, venture capital, when they get into crypto, they spend a lot of money. And venture capital people are very risky. That's why I keep saying when rates go down, you're going to see a lot more things like this up on the screen, like Toncoin deep in the green. Because when venture capital decides to get back into crypto, that's when the juice actually starts flowing. All right, the open network native token Toncoin soared on May 10th amid Pantera Capital statement. And hey, that's today. That's why you hit the subscribe button, because it's breaking news all the time. In the blog post, the California-based venture capital giant said it made its largest investment in its history in Ton. Now, here's what's messed up. They said they did their largest investment. They didn't say how much, but they spent over $250 million buying bankrupt FTX holdings. So if they spent $250 million on a little bit of bankrupt FTX holdings and they spent more on Toncoin, holy crap, how much did they invest in? No wonder Toncoin is in the green. This is from Pantera. By leveraging Telegram's vast user base and seamless user exchange with the vibrancy of Ton's emerging ecosystem, we believe that Tons has the potential to become one of the largest crypto networks. Good user interface. We like hearing about that kind of stuff. Look at the price action. Well, actually, this is the announcement. As always, any article you see in this video, along with all my other ones, will be linked everyone in the description below. Look at Toncoin. I've got it pretty much over the last year on the screen, and you can see there was a run up here to 725, got pushed back down to under 5, now back up again. Toncoin looking very bullish, everyone. And honestly, crypto venture capital investment is what you're all looking for. Like, I get it with the partner. Same thing, right? When we start talking about Japan and XRP, validator, XPL validator, and all stuff like that, that's nothing compared to venture capital. You want venture capital firms to get in. The cool thing about this is Japan's SBI venture capital arm is the one that got involved. But let's talk about Nansen first. All right, Nansen predicts a new low for altcoins. Key dates revealed for crypto investors. Essentially what Nansen is saying is this, okay? They're saying, look, as BTC goes up, the rest of the alts will follow. But they're also saying that, look, the alts aren't going to break out on their own anymore. There's just too much traditional finance money tied into BTC now. So the altcoin rally isn't going to happen on its own. It's going to happen if BTC starts making more moves. Nansen's lead research analyst, Aurelia Berther, states that the altcoin market has taken a hit since the halving, entering a downward trend. We know that. Even if the altcoins see a potential local bottom, Berther suggests that a Bitcoin price surge is necessary for an altcoin bull rally to expand. Altcoins are high beta cryptocurrencies. They thrive when market sentiment is bullish, and that's when they rally. However, since mid-March, sentiment among crypto investors has been less enthusiastic. Furthermore, while the BTC price consolidates around its 20-day exponential moving average, altcoins experiencing more volatility. Here we go. For altcoins to perform better, we need an upward breakout of Bitcoin. Totally true, right? As soon as we used all the fuel from the BTC ETF action and the halving, what a big fucking nothing burger. That was 0 calories at best. Look, if you want to diet this summer and get a hot, sexy bod, dude, just feed on crypto news. It's so many 0 calorie nothing burgers you won't put shit on for weight. For altcoin to perform better, we need an upward breakout in BTC and a clear resumption of the BTC uptrend. If BTC returns to bullish mode, we could see rallies in the altcoins. What they're saying, though, is altcoins could reach their bottom levels around June, with the rally commencing in the back half of the year, with the spark being Fed cutting rates. So, okay, think about this, right? So the Fed cutting rates allows venture capital firms like Pantera to invest even more. See, Pantera is one of the few that's investing right now. And we're talking about billions from these things. And I'm not talking about stupid Stellar Chain moving pennies and all that bullshit. No, I'm talking about actual big dollar money. So what happens is you get more venture capitalists coming in, you get the rates to go down on the back half of the year. We could see an altcoin explosion. Japan's financial giant unveils XRP validator, new era for crypto market. I don't know, man. In an official statement, SBI detailed the strategy behind operating a validator node. The company aims to operate stably as a validator and have its achievements recognized by the community, leading to its inclusion in the list of trusted validators. Being a part of the validators will allow SBI, VC, Venture Capital Trade, more influence in the network, especially in voting on new features. Okay, Toncoin, Pantera partnership. They say, yo, we put our biggest bag in here yet. Japan, XRP validator from some big money. Nothing burger. See the difference here? Let's do this. Look at this. Look at this. See? Toncoin? Look at that chart. Pantera Capital investing. Toncoin. Japan. XRP nothing burger. So you tell me, is Klaus being negative on this Friday? Or is Klaus giving you the real news? I think I'm giving you the real news because the charts, the people in the know, the people that are buying and selling, the traders, the investors are like, yo, Pantera dumps big bags into Ton. Let's get into Ton. Boom, Ton price, rocket ship. Japan is like, yo, we've got this. We're going to be an XRPL validator. The market's like, no, sorry, big fucking nothing burger. And that's the deal. Some of these announcements are just big nothing burgers. And when people are like, oh my God, this is good, billions and trillions. Dude, look at how the market reacts to this stuff. Pantera getting into Ton is a signal of two things. Number one, they believe in their future. That's obvious. You only invest in things that you believe you can make money in. Number two, they believe there's more potential upside, and they're willing to risk expensive money now to make even more later. But you're not seeing that with venture capital firms with XRP, are you? And in fact, you're not seeing that hardly at all with venture capital firms across the entire market. It's not picking on XRP. This is something across the entire market because money is just too expensive. And most venture capital firms have used up all their cheap money that they got during the Rona low rate phase. So is this good news for XRP fans to get a little SBI action? Yeah, it's good news. Did it do anything with the price where you're like, bro, I'm going to be rich? Fuck no. Didn't do a damn thing. Ticker didn't even move at all. Now Pantera announces their biggest investment ever in Toncoin. And boom, money starts flowing. In fact, Toncoin has been the biggest mover here as of late in the crypto market. In fact, if Toncoin keeps on the rate that it's going, it will even surpass XRP in terms of market cap. Now, what's interesting about this is pumps and dumps play in the Toncoin story as well. Because Toncoin was rejected at 725, went down to under 5, has now popped back up over 7. So in a very short amount of time, people are sitting on lots of green. And this announcement from a venture capital firm has really propelled Toncoin quite high price-wise. Happy Friday, quite high. XRP, though, gets some venture capital, right? SBI's venture capital arm, they want to do a little XRPL ledger node action. People are like, okay, who gives a flying fuck? And that's the deal, Lemon Peel. The XRP price didn't move. Now, you can be a maxi all you want. Heck, you could just be a regular crypto enthusiast, and what are you going to do? Klaus, bro, you're so negative. Bro, you're so negative. Look at the price reaction. Look at how different Toncoin reacted versus XRP, and you tell me which news story was something that made some actual news and which one was a nothing burger. Well, I'm about ready to train and break through 50 plus miles for the week of running. I could use a 0-calorie nothing burger to help me lose some weight here for my races that are upcoming. I've got one in about 4 weeks in 1 day. Ooh, gonna be some fun times. What are you doing the rest of this Friday? I'm still cleaning up the mess from the storms. I'm gonna get a run in, play a little bit of Wii Sports Resorts, do some crypto videos, and have fun on this Friday. So happy Friday, everyone, and I'll catch you cool cats later today.